Do you want to find out your body type but feel confused? Not sure if you're an hourglass, pear, or apple? Maybe you've even tried measuring yourself but still couldn't figure it out. The truth is, relying solely on measurements isn't the best way to determine your body type. Your side profile and angles can change the results. But don't worry, here's a step-by-step guide to help you find your body type more accurately. Step 1. Take a photo of yourself. Make sure you're wearing a tight-fitted, monochromatic outfit, something that contrasts with your background so your shape is easy to see. It's best to take the photo at waist level, as different angles can create illusions that might mislead you. Step 2. Now, use a straight line or an alphabet letter with straight lines like in this example. This will help you compare and see which details match your shape. Inverted triangle. If your shoulders and bust are the widest parts of your body, you're likely an inverted triangle. Hourglass. If your hips and bust are about the same width with a defined waist, you're an hourglass. Pear. If your hips are the widest part of your body, then you're a pear shape. Apple. If your midsection is the most prominent feature, you're an apple shape. Rectangle. If all parts of your body, shoulders, waist, and hips are nearly the same width, you're a straight or rectangle shape. If you want to know how you can use ChatGPT to find out your personal color, check out our video on that topic. Finding your body type and personal color can make a huge difference in how you dress, helping you look and feel your best every day.